This 3-in-1 SHELIKI robot handles vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping in a single pass, which makes day-to-day floor care far less hands-on. The self-emptying base and generous dust bag capacity mean you can often go many weeks without touching the bin, which is a genuine convenience upgrade over basic robots. Strong suction that reaches up to 6,000 pascals lets it pull pet hair and grit out of carpets while still being gentle enough for hard floors and tiles. A large capacity battery supports long cleaning runs, so it can cover most medium to large homes in one session before automatically returning to recharge and resume. Laser-based navigation with detailed mapping allows it to move in an orderly pattern, avoid common obstacles, and respect virtual no-go areas you set for carpets or pet zones. Support for app control, voice assistance, and a handheld remote gives you flexible ways to schedule cleanings, fine-tune suction and water levels, and start spot cleanups without hunting for buttons.